So thanks for joining today. My face is a little broke out, but after moisturizing, the first thing that we're going to do is go in with some primer and prime our whole face. Primer is important because it helps your makeup go on evenly. And I guess I forgot to show you guys what I was using, but this is the Maybelline Dewy Fit Me. I used the matte before, but I think I like the dewy better, even though I am kind of oily. So now I'm going in with my Fit Me concealer. I keep wanting to say conditioner. I don't know. I'm not good at this, but I was covering up something on my neck. I don't usually even have to cover pimples because I usually don't have that many breakouts, but this specific day I was super broken out, so I'm just going ahead and blending all of that together with the same brush I used for my foundation, bringing it down to my neck. And then I used my Airspun powder. This is like something that I've been using for like 3 years, and I just use it as a setting powder or to bake. Now I'm going to go in with my Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette, and I'm using just like a tan color for my crease, and then I actually show which ones I'm using because I realized I should do that. But I'm just going back in with another tan to kind of deepen that crease up. I'm using my other Morphe, I don't even remember the name of it, but I'm doing a shimmery color for my lid and just putting that all over, and then I'm going to blend it all together. I really had no idea what look I was even going for this day. I was just winging it, trying to do it in under 5 minutes, but I couldn't, so I went ahead and just did under 10. Then I dust off all of the excess powder, and I'm going in with my Hoola bronzer, just quickly hitting my cheekbones. And then I do my forehead and underneath my chin, just to kind of hide any double chin that I might have. So at this point, I am looking for a brush to do my blush with, but I could not find it. So I have the brilliant idea to just use my finger. As you can see, that did not go as well as it could have. And then I pick up a brush to blend, and I'm like, Haley, use that for the blush. Anyways, I don't know. I'm not a genius. I try, but life is just, has a funny way of getting you. So I'm going in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills highlighter, using the lightest shade because I am pretty pale, and I don't know, just putting the highlighter everywhere. I always curl my lashes because my eyelashes kind of point straight out, and it's just not a good look. They're very light, almost blonde, so I have to curl them if I want them to show up. And another thing that I always do is use double mascara. So I'm going in with one, and then I go in with the other and kind of layer it up. Next, I'm going to go in with just an e.l.f. eyebrow pencil. I like to brush my eyebrows out first because my eyebrows are very thick and they can just get kind of crazy. But I line underneath, and then I go above and line, and then I kind of fill in. And something important that I want to note is eyebrows are sisters, not twins. Your eyebrows are two completely different beings, and they're more than likely not gonna match, so just try to make them look kind of similar. That's my philosophy. Going in, putting some mascara on the bottom lashes. I don't usually do this, but I just thought, hey, what the heck. And now I'm going to use my favorite nude color for my lips, and it is NYX Lingerie in the shade Lace, I think. And to finish up, I take a Q-tip and just go underneath, make sure that I have everything cleaned up, and that's the final look. Thanks for watching.